Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How you all doing? Well, I'm up, I'm up. This is Service TV, Lifestyle, Monday morning, 3rd of August. Well, this is the day the Lord has made, and we let us rejoice and be happy within. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and grief to bear, and what a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. This morning I thank God for sparing my life and tender mercies. And I really want to talk and say good morning to Donna British. Morning, sister. How you do? This is your neighbor from you know where. I saw your video yesterday morning. Not even yesterday morning, I would say last night. And I heard to drop you a note. But I made a video, and when I ready to put it on YouTube. Something tell me no, nobody will wait till tomorrow morning. So I delete it. And here I am this morning, I would say 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is 11 o'clock your time. All right? I was going to make the video that means when you wake up, you would have that video right in front of you. But I said that's okay. You have Blink View there, so you know Blinkview will cheer you up. But in all of everything, life goes on, and I'm glad you're on above ground. You know, it's a reaction you were in when you open your phone and see those information, and you just jump in action and you know was shocked. But in this stage of life with YouTube, there's nothing to be shocked about, okay? Because you got demons all over. You have no friends on YouTube. Let me tell you that. No friends. And you just have to, you know, do your thing and do it. And not everybody gonna be with what you said. Okay, Dana? Not everybody. Everybody have their own mind, their own discretion. Some people just kick you underneath the bus. And I always said, if when I joined YouTube, it was my name, my signature, my everything. It was me and wife, me and daughter. You understand me? So I made my decision. Now and then I might turn to my wife and ask my wife X, Y, and Z, right? And again, as I said, I made my own decision. And the reason why I say that because you, I assume, make your own decision. Now, honest is the best policy, and I've seen you go through a lot so far. I hear tape of Daddy Gargan calling you up and talking to you, begging you, deliberately begging you to join them. Yes, secretively begging you. And the way he talking to you is like a man looking at a woman. You see what I'm saying? I've seen video which I wouldn't come out and talk. Because anything on the internet will go and circulate around. But I've seen video with you and two other people, which I wouldn't disclose what I see. Because what I see, it was shocking to me. And I learned a lot. Okay? Now, what you see happen there, there's a group of people which you may not know. And the elderly person, the head one in that group, is that 74-year-old man. And trying to run things, I want to run YouTube, right? And if you're not with him, you're against him. Just like when you want you to overthrow an Oliver, they don't like it, and I saw it go. The only person you have is Gloria and Gemrock. But you know something? I'm gonna tell you like it is. And the guy D World, whatever Young World. And let me tell you this: anything that goes on internet, is traceable, and YouTube know who is who. Okay? So there's none for you to worry, stress, have your blood pressure get high, because there are times where they will get caught. They will get caught. As you said, Scotland Yard police and that's something to play with. I listened to you, you know. I listened to you last night. Scotland Yard police is not something to play with. They may not take that in consideration, but it's real. From I was a kid growing up in Montego Bay, I hear about Scotland Yard police because police from Jamaica used to go to Scotland Yard all the time for training, and Scotland Yard police would go to Jamaica and train the police them there. So I know Scotland Yard police doesn't play. And when they say they doesn't play, they just don't play. If they're coming at you, they're coming at you. Right? And those guys, because they don't have no pictures to see to people see their face, and they don't have this and they don't have that, they don't, it's hard to, and they think it's hard to catch them. Let me give you a little story. Around in February, the same guy, Young World, and many others, they and Ratakshan, Brad Cook, are friends. Yeah? They are friends. Every night they used to be calling Ratakshan station. I call Ratakshan the follow. Ratakshan is the one who put them where they are. And then we have the conversation, and they would have said where they want to go, Portland, they want to go places, and who they want to throw them. Yeah? I hear them. And the first time I hear them, I was shocked. I make a call to the person who they say they're coming, they want to kill or shoot. Person never pick up his phone. I mean, I have to make a phone call to somebody else, and that person pick up his phone, and that person tap into their channel and hear what me was hearing. This is what I'm saying? And from there and then I stopped listening to Ratakshan station, because that station they all are dealing with is violence. Violence and they will talk bad about people and lie. Everything they do is lying. They make a video and ask him, I'm looking forward to see the baby of Danelia and the other girl. Because he claimed they were pregnated by somebody and me want to see the baby. It's about 9 months now. A baby should have born. Right? And me ask him about the pregnancy. Because if a man pregnated a baby, you're supposed to show the baby. That's how they lie and tell lie to get and say them they are the greatest content creator. Mm-hmm. Me the paint the picture and make you see what me talk about. Then the 74-year-old man allied and hang with both him and the world. Yeah? And they are the one who was carrying out the 70-year-old man job. Now, me just paint everything and show you. They call all the women them that try to mess with you guys, call you all kind of name. The second thing I don't like, when a man disrespect a woman. And this is why I see how me argue about you. Regardless you have so much kids, it's beautiful to get have many kids. Is now people don't have kids. Way back then you have women that have all 10 kids, 15 kids. And that's wonderful. That show that you fruitful, multiply, and replenish the earth. And that's what God said, and that's what the Bible said. Bible never say you have sex, sit down on the toilet and flush it out. No. But that 74-year-old man, his finger is and signature is right on everything. You see when him call a drug mule, that just turned my appetite from him. If I did see him on a plate and then give me a knife and fork, I wouldn't even touch him to show you how much it's disgraceful. You see what I'm saying? Very distasteful. And Rataksha now no sense. He do have sense. But he don't have no sense. That 74-year-old man, Frogmouth, damage him. Him soon gone off YouTube, you know. Trust what I'm telling you. Trust me with all those issues that you see going on and this name this and name that. You're not staying quiet. And young D or young T, the first time he get monetized, then chop him black. You hear me tell you? Then chop him black. They watch my channel every day and every other day. Because that's what they said. Come and listen to them, you know. Me listen to them. Oh, the one service TV, look how long he's on the channel and he don't even reach 1,000 yet. And I just come and reach 1,000. Because guess what? I speak the truth and not but the truth. If any story me telling them I don't know the truth, me nah put it on YouTube. Because it's not right to come on YouTube and lie. It's not right. Or talk bad about people. Okay? I mean I do that. If it take 1,000 years for me to reach 1,000, I'm gonna do that. You see? I'm gonna do that. And I'm not gonna come in front of the camera and waste the internet by telling lie. Me not do that. Me come and speak the truth. Anything I'm gonna tell you, me have to do research first and make sure it's the truth and not but the truth. Because it's not fair. It's not fair. Okay? In the meantime, I observe everything as a 67-year-old man. Me too old to go to prison and jail. Honest to God, too old to go jail. I mean, I'm gonna go jail for lie to reach 1,000 to be monetized. Me not do that. Me gonna tell the truth and not but the truth. You see? So people, they want to join alliance and join a gang, and me not into that. And one of the reasons why you see me hang with Jamrock, because Jamrock is somebody well known in Jamaica, Montego Bay. And although he know my name and he might know my face, I don't think Jamrock really know my face because I left Jamaica 40 years ago, me travel. You see what I'm saying? But you know the school me go to and you know the religion that me belongs to. Alright? And him know my family name because the service is a big name up in Carroll Garden, Montego Bay, Springfield area, Glendevon, and downtown Montego Bay. Alright? So that's how the thing said. Don't stress yourself. Don't come back on YouTube and make any report about the incident what happened. Keep in touch with the police and YouTube. Anything that been on YouTube, there's an IP address. You hear what I said? All when them delete the video, there is an IP address can be traced. I know where you come from. Yeah? And for that, wire mouth, curry goat is a disgrace to the US military. It's a disgrace. Very disgraceful and very distasteful. Yeah? I could see she could have sell herself for 30 pieces of silver. Yes, indeed. I could see women like that will sell themselves. And I see you as a strong woman, a very strong woman. Come here, Daddy Gargan, with you on the phone. And if you could have get your panty off of you, would have get it. But he couldn't. Because he's a very honest person. You say no, and it's no. You hear me tell you? You say no, and it was no. With the Oliver incident. As Blinkview call them hyenas, they are more than hyenas. You hear me tell you? They are disgraceful and distasteful. That's all we can say. They are disgraceful and distasteful. All I'm saying to you is do less talking about your whereabouts. Yeah? If you go in Jamaica, do not let them know when you're going because that guy, Young World, live in Montego Bay. I can tell you that. Alright? And him drive a black Mercedes Benz. Several different cars. You go around telling people how he have car dealership and all kind of stuff and rare this and rare that. If you have a car dealership, where you up on YouTube? What you doing on YouTube? You come from Mobile. I have a profile on him, you know. I have a profile on him. If he think people don't have profile of him and know who he is. Trust me.